Hi. In this video, I'm going to explain an easy way to do keyword research. This simple method can help you discover the right keywords to boost your content's visibility and reach a larger audience. You can also use the same approach to brainstorm fresh content ideas for YouTube, ensuring your videos match what people are actively searching for. The first step is to open keywordtool.io in your browser. This website is designed specifically for keyword research, and in this demo I'm using the free version to keep things simple and accessible. The second step is to select your target country and language. This ensures the keywords you find are relevant to the audience you want to reach. You can also adjust the type of content you're looking for, whether it's news, images, or even videos. Next, type in the main keyword you want to explore so the tool can generate related keyword suggestions. Now, you'll be able to see all the related keyword results that you need. In addition, you can also check the questions related to that keyword. These are the exact phrases people are frequently searching for on search engines. After gathering all these keywords, the next step is simply to create content that fits those keywords. I hope this guide helps you. Good luck and happy creating.